this is basically a slide that I put together to show you from analog design point of view, a very high level understanding what is parasitic, right. So, this is an inverter. This inverter, when we talk about in analog, we talk about this as a amplifier, and when we talk about this as an amplifier, here is the particular region. In this region, if we operate this device, this particular structure, this amplifies signals, like V in is amplified to V out in this particular domain, in this particular region, right. This is the region, means this is V in and this is V out. V in is this, V out is this, x axis is V in, y axis is V out, right. So, and this is the region where the devices both are operating in saturation. Now, saturation is, again, these are the things that we need to understand. What is saturation margin, what is saturation region, and what are the other regions at which the devices will work, right. There are some requirement for that, and definitely I think I have some more understanding on that. So, here these components that you see in red, these are parasitics, and these are coming when the device is getting manufactured, right. Now, there is a capacitor coming between the input and output, there is a resistors coming between the power supply and this net, there is another resistors coming between these two nets. So, if you do not consider this, right, what will happen? This particular characteristic, you think that this is related to this one, and you are not considering these three, these components, this characteristic will change, it will not be the real characteristic. So, what you are doing is you are not considering the real factors coming out of parasitics, right. So, you definitely have to have this understanding in your when you are designing circuits, right, that what is this parasitics, where the parasitics will come.